Hello children, in this video we will see 10th standard arithmetic progression exercise 1.2 third main. In the last video I already explained you third main two sums. In this video I am going to explain third, fourth and the fifth sums. Okay, if you want those two sums, you see in the last video. If you want the link of that video, I'll give in the description box. See that. Okay, before going to see this video, see that video, then only you will understand the sums. Now we'll start the third sum. Third sum will start now. Exercise 1.2 it is. Okay, what they have given, missing box. I already told you in the last video. Here we have to find the missing numbers in the AP. Here also first term they have given, this is A1, A2, A3, this is A4. Here A2 and A3 is missing, A1 and A4 they have only given. You have to find the A2 and A3 here. So I already told you, if you know the first term, easily you can find the common difference, that is D. Okay, they have given first term here, that is A1, and this is A4. What they have given, we will write it first. A1 equal to A equal to 5, and what they have given, A4 they have given. A4 is equal to 9 1 by 2. It is in the mixed fraction. I will convert this into improper fraction. You know how to convert improper fraction. 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 1 is 19 by 2. I converted mixed fraction into improper fraction. Now A4 is 19 by 2. Using A4 formula, I can find the D value now. A value they have given, D value we have to find it. While you want to write the AP means you have to find A and D value. A value we already have it, so we have to find the D value now. So how we will find D value? A4 equal to 19 by 2 is there, no? That we have to consider. A4 formula is A plus 3D. So A4, I'll consider A4 first. A4 equal to 19 by 2 we have. I'll write that. In place of A4, I can write A plus 3D equal to 19 by 2. Now, A value we have here, that is 5, plus in place of A I substituted 5, plus 3, D equal to 19 by 2. We want D value, so you transfer 5 right side. 3D equal to 19 by 2 minus 5. Okay, I'll solve it here. 3D equal to, here you have to take the LCM. What is the LCM of 2 and 1? 2. Here I should multiply 2. 19 minus 5 2s are 10. 19 minus 10 is 9 by 2. Here 3D only is there. So D equal to 9 by 2. This will go to denominator because it is there in the numerator, and between these two, between 3 and D, multiplication is there. So 3 will go to denominator. 3 1s are 3 3s are. So D value is 3 by 2. 2 remains here, 3. So D value is 3 by 2. We have A value already and D value also we got it now. Now we can find any term of the AP. Here we want to find A2 and A3. We know A2 formula is A2 equal to A plus D. A value we have as a 5 and D value also we got it as a 3 by 2. Now simplify it. LCM of 2 and 1 is 2. Here I should multiply 2. 5 2s are 10 plus 3. So 10 plus 3. 10 plus 3, how much you are going to get it? 13 by 2. So this is the A2 value, we got it. Now we have to find the A3. A3 formula is what? A3 equal to A plus 2D. A value we have 5 plus 2 into D value is 3 by 2. 3 by 2. Here you observe 2 and 2 we can cancel it. Okay. So 5 plus what remains here? 3. So A3 we will get as 8. This is A3. So A2 we got 13 by 2 and A3 we got 8. If you want to convert this as a mixed fraction means you can convert it 13 by 2, or you can write like this also, no problem. This is the third sum. Now we'll see the fourth sum what they have given. In the fourth sum also first term they have given, that is A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5 we have to find it, and A6 they have given. So A1 what we have? A1 or A equal to 4 and they have given A6 equal to 6. A6 is 6 they have given. Now we'll find the D value. D value is what here? How we are going to find it? A6 I'll consider A6 is equal to 6. A6 formula is A plus 5D. I hope you are understanding. A plus 5D equal to 6. 6 as it is I am writing in place of A6. A plus 5D I have written. Now A value I'll substitute. A value is minus 4 is there. Okay. Don't forget to write the minus sign. Minus 4 plus 5D equal to 6. Now 5D equal to 6. This 4 if I transfer right side means minus 4 is there, it will become plus 4. Now D equal to 6 plus 4 is 10. This 5 next I'll transfer. 10 is there. 10 by 5 will come. This will come to denominator. 5 ones are 5 twos are. So D value will get as a 2 here. Now they only given A value, we got a D value as a 2. Now we can find any term of the AP. A2 will find it. A2, A3, A4, A5 we have to find it here. So we'll find A2 first. A2 equal to A plus D. A value what we have here? Minus 4. D value is plus 2. Minus 4 plus 2 is, we have to subtract it. Bigger number is containing negative sign. So answer is minus 2. A2 is minus 2. Then we'll find minus 2, we got it. Then A3 equal to A plus 2D. A value we have minus 4 plus 2 into D value is plus 2. So minus 4, 2 into 2 is plus 4. Minus 4 plus 4 will become 0. So A3 is 0 here. Then we'll find A4. A4 equal to A plus 3D is the formula. A value is 5. Sorry. A value what we have? Minus 4 plus 3 into D value is 2. So minus 4 plus 3 2s are 6. Now minus 4 plus 6. You have to subtract it. Here bigger number is containing plus sign. So we'll get answer as plus 2. So A4 is plus 2 here. Next, A5 equal to A plus 4D. So A value is minus 4 plus 4 into D value is 2. So minus 4 plus 4 2 is 8. Now minus 4 plus 8. Bigger number is containing plus sign. So plus 4 is the A5. Like this we have to find it. This is a 4. So we got A2, A3, A4 and A4. Like this we have to find it. Now we'll see the last sum of this main, third main. Last sum what they have given, we'll see. They didn't give the first term here. See, like a second sum we have to solve it. In the last video I solved like this sum. If you see that, you can understand it here also. Here they didn't give, see in these two sums A they have given directly, we substituted in the other term and we got the D value. But here you see A value they didn't give. If they didn't give the A value, we have to solve the equations. I already told in the last video. If you want, you see that first, then only you can understand. This is A1 they didn't give here. A2 they have given. A3, A4, A5 we have to find, and A6 they have given. What they have given, we'll write it first. So A2 they given. A2 what we have? 38, and A6 they have given. A6 is minus 22. Okay. Now A2 formula is A plus D equal to 38, and A6 formula is A plus 5D. See, in place of A6 I am writing A plus 5D equal to minus 22. This you take as equation 1. This you take as equation 2. Solve equation 1 and 2. Solve equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 what we have? A plus D equal to 38, and equation 2 we have A plus 5D equal to minus 22. Always solve the equation means for the second equation we have to change the sign. Here plus is there means you have to change it as a minus. Here plus is there, I am changing as a minus. Here minus is there, I am changing this as a plus. Always keep in mind while subtracting or solving means subtracting, you have to change the signs for the second equation. Okay, only for second equation you have to change. After changed signs only you have to consider. Here you see this is also plus a minus a, it will become 0 there. Now plus 1d minus 5d, you have to consider the changed sign. So plus 1d minus 5d, one is plus, one is minus means you have to subtract it. So we'll get 5 minus 1 is 4 and the bigger number is containing negative sign, so minus 4d equal to, here also both also plus are there. After changing this minus 22 became plus 22, so you have to add it. 38 plus 22, 40, 60 will become. So d equal to 60 divided by minus 4. So 4 ones are will come, 2 will remain here, 20, 4 5s are. So d value will get minus 15. Here plus by minus is minus only. So d value is minus 15, we got it. D value we got, and we don't know a value also here. How you are going to find the a value? A value you have to find using first equation. So put d equal to minus 15 in 1. In 1 means in equation, if you want to write in equation 1. Equation 1 what we have here? A plus d equal to 38. So a value we have to find it, and d value is minus 15 is there, is equal to 38. Then a equal to 38. If I transfer minus 15 right side means it will become plus 15. So 38 plus 15, how much you will get it? 53. So a value we got as a 53 here. A value is 53. Next we'll find the A2, A3, A2 they only given, A3, A4, A5 we'll find it. We'll find it here. What we have to find it next to? A3. A3 formula is A plus 2D. A value is 53 plus 2 into D value is minus 15. So 53 plus into minus is minus 15 to the 30. 53 minus 30 is 23 will come. This is A3, we got it. A3 is 23. Next to A4 will find it. A4 is equal to A plus 3D equal to A value is 53 plus 3 into D value is minus 15. So 53 plus into minus is minus 3. 15 3s are 45. So 53 minus 45, how much will get? 53 minus 45, you subtract it. 13 minus 5 is 8, 0. So we'll get 53 minus 45 is 8. This is A4, we'll get it. 8. Next we'll find the A5. A5, how we have to find it? A5 formula is A plus 4D equal to A value what we have? 53 plus 4 into 15. D value is minus 50. So 53 plus into minus is minus 15 4s are 60. Now you see 53 minus 60. Bigger number containing negative sign. Answer will come in the negative, means minus. How much will come? 53. 60 minus 53 is 7. This is A5. We got it. Okay. This is A5. So A5 is minus 7. So here D value what we have? Minus 15. These are the sums of the third main. Now third main is completed. In the next video we will see the sums. Next mains are not there. Next they have given the sums. Totally 20 sums are there. 4 to 20 sums. So in the next video we will solve those. So if you like this video, like, share to your friends and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell button to get the notifications of next videos. Thank you.